Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can stake and earn points on Kamino Finance. So things you need to do here is to make sure that you have a wallet, and you can see I have my Phantom wallet and I have some coin deposited in it already, and I also have some Solana which I'm going to be using as a gas fee also. So at the same time, you also need to find which of the token or coin do you have already, which of the token do you have in your wallet. So you can make use of either the JLP market, you can use the main market, and you can also use the altcoin market also. So but I would just suggest that you move around and see which of the coin do you have, which of the token or coin do you have. So we have USDC here, GLP, we have Solana, we have USDC. So we have different kind of token over here. So if any one of them that you have, you can just go ahead and stake it. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scroll down to the when, because that's what I'm holding in my wallet, you can see. So I will go to when and then supply. So you want to supply, actually you can also borrow if you want, but I will be supplying because I want to earn some more points to this that I already have over here. So that's why I will be doing this. So where is the when? Okay, when, you can see it. So I'll click on supply, then I'll be supplying 100% of what I'm holding. So deposit. You make sure you have some Solana in your wallet so that you'll be able to use that for a gas fee. So I'm having a wallet called backpack also. So let's see if I can remember the login details of this. So they'll be charging me this for the gas fee, and then the 200 which I want to deposit it on the platform. So approve. So I have to wait for the confirmation, and once that is done, it will be successful here. So I'm still having the when in my wallet, so I just have to wait for the transaction to get complete. Okay, so it failed, so I think I need to just try again. And also transaction settings. So now I need to go to the transaction settings over here and increase the slippage so to 1%, and the priority fee, let me put it on tuber, so that can actually make the transaction faster instead of slowing it down for 60 seconds. So I will deposit again, then confirm, and let's see what we have. What do we have? Successful. So I've just deposited it successfully. So you can check the transaction details by clicking on this view transaction down here, but we don't really need that one. So now I have I just deposited. Let me refresh this page and also close this. So cancel this also, and check portfolio. So in my portfolio I'm having the net value of $97, and my point so far is 29,000 plus for the season 1. Season 2 is still coming up. I don't know when that is going to happen, but so the when I borrow into the supply into the system is this you're seeing here, the value. So that is it basically. So that way you'll be earning points, and at the end of everything, I hope that Kamino Finance is going to launch their own token, and probably you'll be one of the lucky users of the system and then get reward for it from the using get reward for it by getting their token when it's launched. So that's it basically. That's how to do it. So watch out for next video, and do like and subscribe to this channel. Bye everyone.